Suppose we want to create a simple bar chart. We first draw the axes at about the right size, and then draw the first example bar. Next, we associate the bar with a range of data values by selecting the link box associated with the bar, and then selecting the column in the spreadsheet. Gold scans the spreadsheet column to find the range of data values, and using the size of the example axes and the maximum value of the range, it creates an appropriate scale. The first rectangle is adjusted, and additional rectangles are created. The link boxes show what data is associated with each bar, and a command will hide the link boxes, which shows that the axis has been labeled appropriately. If the size of the axis is changed, or if a box is moved, all of the boxes are adjusted appropriately. Also, if the data in the spreadsheet changes, the bar associated with that data is adjusted. The key advantage of demonstrational techniques is to support more complex custom charts. To create a paired value column chart, we only need to draw 2 example bars and associate each with an appropriate range of values. The position and styles for the new bars are computed based on the position and styles of the examples. To create a stack chart, again, we only need to give a small example. Note that we are just drawing rectangles here. There is no need to know the specialized names or commands to create the various kinds of charts. Pie charts can be created just as easily. Just draw an example pie piece or 2 and associate the data. The system will choose extra colors if the example pieces have different colors. If the example pieces have the same color, then the generated pieces will also. Of course, all the graphics remain editable, so the user can easily change the colors or change any other property, such as the size, position, or line style. Scatter charts are also easy to create. The user simply draws example marks of the right size and associates the data. Different marks can be used for separate data series by simply drawing another set of example objects and associating them with a different part of the spreadsheet. If the user draws lines connecting the example marks, then Gold will draw lines using the same style to connect all the generated marks as well. Gold also supports data along both the X and Y axes. For example, with this data, we can see how the price relates to the miles per gallon by simply associating one series with each axis. Gold also makes it easy to create visualizations that are quite difficult or even impossible with other tools. For example, if we want the colors of the marks or bars to encode a separate variable, such as where the cars were made, then we can simply provide 2 example marks with different colors. When the series is created, Gold recognizes that it does not know why there are multiple colors and pops up the color key window. To define how the colors should be computed, the user can select a link box in the color key and then a range of data in the spreadsheet that will compute the color. Here, since the range contains 3 strings, Gold associates one color with each string and then colors the circles correctly. Of course, the colors can be easily changed if the user does not like Gold's choices.